Tito Rabat chasing only a second win of 2015 as he looks to claw back some of that 65-point deficit on the Zarco. He's 7 clear of Sam Lowes and 11 clear of Alex Rins, who starts alongside him on the front row of the grid areas. The number 40, Alex Rins, great weekend with his FP1, with his FP3, and then on pole position with 25 lap race. Well, the last time I was in pole position of my France, he absolutely messed it up. Steering him away. Just got a few seconds of time. That's over his shoulder back down the field. It's not what he was singing, but I'm afraid when we're leading the front row already. So we're not going to go on in with the market dry. It's round 10 of the Moto2 World Championships. A brilliant start by the Spaniard in his 200th Grand Prix appearance. Simon, the number 60, already up into third place.
You're right with Alex Rins. That was a brave move in these conditions to get up the inside of Tito Rabat. They race around this very fast left-hand turn 5 up towards turn 6. And Julian Simon, 200th Grand Prix appearance, former 125cc world champion, thinks about taking the lead as they come into turn 6 and does exactly that.
Julian Simon started this race from 17th place on the grid on that speed bike. There's Hafiz Syrin now, the Malaysian, up the inside of Alex Rins. Number 55 now squirted up the inside of Julian Simon. Hafiz Syrin leads this race, powering down the back straight for the first time. Syrin, Simon, Alex Rins, Sam Lowes just fought his way back up into 4th. Tito Rabat has dropped back down from leading at the first corner. He's now been passed by Folger and Agerton. Rabat really struggling on this first lap. Zarco now underneath Rabat. Rabat dropping like a stone through the field.
Amazing stuff. Riders obviously further back said, don't dilly-dally about, we're going to risk the conditions, we're going to go for it. Fabulous stuff by Syrin leading the way, but Julian Simon, runner-up in that first ever Moto2 World Championship behind Tony Elias, 125 World Champion, and season absolutely dogged by injuries. But, well, I think Sam Lowes fancies a bit of a nibble at it as well, doesn't he?
Sam Lowes didn't get a great launch on the line. He started 7th. Now to take the lead.